Hello, Kenta friends. Today, I'll be discussing 3 of the best apps to help you achieve your language learning goals. From structured lessons to interactive dictionaries, these apps offer a variety of tools to enhance your Chinese skills. Poro Learn Chinese. Poro Learn Chinese is an excellent application for learning Chinese on Android. It offers a structured curriculum designed to help users learn Mandarin Chinese effectively. The app provides lessons covering various aspects of the language, including vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and more. Users can practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing in Chinese through interactive exercises and quizzes. Poro Learn Chinese also offers features like flashcards, audio recordings by native speakers, and a dictionary for quick lookups. Overall, this app is suitable for beginners as well as intermediate learners who want to improve their Chinese language skills. Hanzii Chinese Dictionary. Hanzii Chinese Dictionary is a powerful tool for anyone looking to understand and translate Chinese characters. This Android app provides an extensive database of Chinese characters and words, along with their meanings and pronunciations. Users can easily look up Hanzii characters by drawing them on the screen or typing in pinyin. The app also offers features like example sentences, stroke order animations, and audio pronunciations to help users grasp the nuances of the language. Whether you are a beginner trying to understand basic Chinese characters or an advanced learner looking for more complex vocabulary, Learn Chinese Skill. Learn Chinese Skill is another popular Android application for learning Chinese. This app focuses on practical language skills that are essential for everyday communication. With lessons covering topics like greetings, shopping, dining, and traveling, users can quickly pick up useful phrases and sentences to use in real-life situations. Learn Chinese Skill employs a combination of audio lessons, interactive exercises, and quizzes to engage learners and reinforce their learning. The app also tracks users' progress and adjusts the difficulty level accordingly. Whether you are a tourist planning to visit China or someone interested in mastering conversational Chinese. As we wrap up, remember that mastering a new language takes time and dedication. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.